Welcome to the Cooking General. Boy, I know y'all say, man, why you been? Man, it's my fault. It's my fault. I thought my equipment was stolen, but actually, I lost it. I was helping some people, you know what I'm saying, doing some moving around. Left the equipment on top of the car, drove off, you know, it fell, got ran over, you know what I'm saying, and bam, I had like 4 videos on there for y'all. Some of the stuff I had to go out of town to get some of the ingredients, and it's all lost. So, I'm just kidding, you know that as soon as the insurance comes to tighten up, hopefully within the next week or two, I'll be back to my regular schedule, making more videos, cooking, showing you what to do, and how to do it like the professionals. But this video here really just letting y'all know I'm coming back. But let me show you what I'm finna do though. See, I'm finna do me a good pork butt roast right now, you know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna inject, you know what I'm saying, with some roasted garlic and herbs. Got some tonics going on here. I'm dicing up me some vegetables right now because I'm gonna make me a dressing later on. But I'm gonna make pulled pork sandwiches out of my thing. But I got, you see, I got this here made in a skillet. I done it, you know what I'm saying, the old fashioned hot water cornbread. But I'm gonna use that for my dressing. And just to let y'all know that I'm coming back, man. I'm coming back. But on the end of this video, you know, I got a video I want to show y'all. It's an old video. It's about 4 years old. And back in the days, I didn't know which way I was going to start this channel, which way I was going. I was doing a little nature. It ain't nothing really exciting. So y'all can check that out. But just give me a few more weeks, you know what I'm saying? I'll be back. Cooking General, man. You better ask somebody. Documentary, we're gonna do old Washington nature. There's people that do nature shows about animals, insects, and plants. This is tree moss, grows natural on trees, birds use it. So we're gonna go into the woods and we're gonna find nature and see the best thing nature has to offer. Believe me, it's gonna be pretty cool. It's another series that fully educational, showing you the stuff that has in old Washington. So come with us and we're gonna find more than just tree moss, which I heard is could be edible. Probably so, but it'll taste good. So let's go. Shoot, you got cows come across here, cow hooves here. Whatever this was, it's my hand. It's a mighty big cat in through here. My cat. And then, if you look over here, those coon tracks there. I know coon tracks. You see the paw prints. Paw prints there, coon track. But whatever this was, is pretty big. Nice sized cat. Maybe a bobcat or something. Let's compare it to a cow track here. Okay, another animal out here is little bunny rabbits. And I don't know if you can see him, but there he goes. There he goes. He's gone. He's gone. He's gone. He's gone. He's gone. Okay, here's some pretty common in Washington. Here's what they call a banana spider. It's like he's caught his prey. It's up there in the web right now. You can see right there he's eating something. He's got something caught in the web. It's called a banana spider. Very common spot around here in old Washington. Very common spider. Okay, on our little venture doing with nature, we found this here snake skin. Snakes shed their skin, and I'm probably right over the hole where he went into. But it's a snake skin, brown, maybe chicken snake, could be rattlesnake because rattlesnakes live out here by the end of the tail. But as you can see, it's a pretty big snake, and hopefully we can try to find him. Let's go. And after filming all this nature stuff, we ran into this hole here in the ground. As you can see, there's something lives off in the hole. It's buried right out in there. I'm gonna stick my hand in there and find out what in it. Let's see what we can pull out of there. Shit. Oh shit. Okay, a lot of people have never seen these here. This is what our Tony Hope used to eat back in the days. Don't want to get stung by one of these bad boys, but these are the American red ants. They're big, they come out at night. They're nocturnal insects. Very seldom to bite you, unless you know you just stir them, but you can stick and put my hand right here. And they don't really want to bite me right now, but those fire ants, they'd have tore my hand up. See, like this one on my hand right now. He's not really biting me. You really don't want to bite. You know, you're trying to figure out what I am. So I'm going to just get him off of there. But those are the red ants. All right, let me get out here for one crawler. Oh, get my nuts. Now here goes some docile plants here. A little purple, they kind of a little thing. By a little pond, I don't know what kind they are either, but they grow out here in Old Washington. And then you got these here, they white and little petals, very pretty. But then you got the most deadly things in Washington. This right here. These are fire ants. Look at there. As you can see, fire ants, they killed a lot of animals and a lot of things. And they're very aggressive. They'll sting the shit out of you. Watch this here. Oh, mother! And aside the insects that we find in Washington, we have lots of pretty flowers too. Check this out here. Oh, that is beautiful there. Look at that. Purple, yellow inside. There's another one coming behind it. There's a purple bush. Very pretty flower. All right, on this nature hunt, we came into some of these here flowers. I don't know, have y'all ever seen these in a while, but they are very pretty too. Yellow, got that yellow orange, very pretty bushes. Don't quite know what they are, but this is what this video about, to show you the plants and animals that's already in Washington. Yeah. Okay, we're here some live nature flowers. Check this one out here. Very pretty. It's the orange bush, white, yellow, like the sun in the middle. Don't know what it's called, but very pretty. Alrighty, I want to show you another one. It's like a piece of hill. It's dark and it's deep. It's a big old hole right there in the middle. Hold on. Let's zoom in on it. Yeah, that's a big old deep hole right here. Big deep hole. Big well. Field out of the middle of nowhere. Alright, got that. There go another well we at. And I really get y'all into there to see the well. But it's a very deep well. If you look off in there, I can zoom in. It's a very, very deep hole right here. A lot of rattlesnakes and everything off in this hole. Let me see if I can't get a good shot. That's right there. So if you fall off in that, you're gonna fall a long way. This on the top of it here, and it goes all the way down off into. Let's see if I can get a better look through these vines. Oh, I can't get off in there. Sorry, can't get a better view. Let me see if I can get it. And you can see it's very deep off in there. It goes all the way down. It's water in the bottom. All right.